My name is James Griffin. I'm going to talk a little bit about the benefits of precision ag. First, let me tell you a little bit the concept of precision ag. Precision ag is micro-managing each individual field, and taking the fields and breaking them up in individual sections that can be 1 acre, 2 acres, 5 acres, 10 acres. From the economical perspective, it helps adjust cultural practices, and what I mean by that is tillage, seeding rates, crop protectants. There's also obviously an environmental perspective there, where you're able to use less pesticides or crop protectants or less commercial fertilizer as well. And with that, ideally comes economical perspective, where you lower costs through lower inputs, or at least putting inputs where they need to be. In precision ag, we take field points. Each field point is called a cell. It's unique from other cells across the field. Different inputs that we're looking at are seeding, variety maybe, fertilizer, and then again crop protectants. What we're basing those each individual cell is from the soil characteristics and possibly weather, and then historical crop performance. When it comes to historical crop performance, we're looking at needing to keep records. We're looking at previous years yield data, maybe from yield monitors, yield mapping, and then also historical pressures from pests, whether it be weed or insects, or even funguses or bacteria. We use different software. We use GIS, GPS, and then also variable rate technology. We use these overlaying layers, and with all the information put together, we're able to prescribe or use prescriptions for best management practice within the field. Probably the easiest way to start off, there is a great front end expense. You might want to start with contacting your NRCS office and get soil maps. Then actually keeping yourself from 3 years from what type of inputs you use, and then resulting yields from that. Also, you can use yield monitoring, yield maps, and also possibly do your own grid soil sampling, and also your own IPM management through crop scouting. Again, just want to say precision agriculture, some of the benefits would be ideally crop yields, and from yields, ideally we'll have more profits. This helps improve management decisions, more efficiency on the field. It also improves your ability to keep farm records to know what the field's historically been doing. Theoretically, also it will keep reduce input costs across the field, across the farm actually, and also pollutions as well.